Jawbreaker. She tastes like candy, star chaser. And she's not landing, LAX is in Miami. Jawbreaker, Jawbreaker. Would it kill you to smile? Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. Sorry I'm still a little bit sick. But I'm doing my best for you. So this is Jawbreaker by Machine Gun Kelly that was requested. I hadn't heard it before, and I only know a little bit of Machine Gun Kelly stuff, but I like this song a lot. So I do country music, I do punk and rock and stuff, please, you know, and some of even pop stuff. So just if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments, and please hit like and subscribe. All right. So I was asked to do this in a very specific way, so I'm just showing you a little bit more of an acoustic way. It's not exactly the way that the guy plays it in the cover that I was sent. I'll actually include that link in the description, so you can see the way that you can see him playing it. But he's got like a capo on it and stuff. This way is just in standard tuning, and I think it's easier. And but you can just, the way I would do it, I would just play it like slower and more acoustic-y. But so I'm going to show you how to do this. So this song is in standard tuning, and then you can see I'm not using a capo. You're going to use a few chords here. You're going to use D, E, F sharp minor, D. Okay, so stick with me the whole time because I'll show you the strumming patterns and everything. But so yeah, D, E, and then F sharp minor. Okay, so F sharp minor, you're gonna bar the 2nd fret all the way across, so starting on the big E string, okay? And then you put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the ring finger on the D string, okay? If you can't totally bar it, that's all right. Just play it like a power chord. Okay, so now the strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, except for the parts where you're palm muting, and I'll show you that in a second. So the song starts out with, and this one is titled, you do the D right there, okay? Jawbreaker. So the part, all right, is where you start with, is where you do E. She tastes is F sharp minor, okay? Tastes like candy. Candy is where you go to D. So taste is F sharp minor, candy is D. Tastes like candy, star. Okay, candy, star chaser. Again, so the way you can remember this is that the beginning part, when you do Jawbreaker, star chase, all right, you're doing the ER part is where you do E. So the E part of that, the E chord goes on the part, which starts with E. And she's not landing, so she's not landing. She's is F sharp minor and landing is D. Landing, LAX. X is where you do E. X is in is F sharp minor, in Miami. Okay, Miami is D, Miami's Jawbreaker. So the first Jawbreaker you do E, Jawbreaker, Jawbreaker. Okay, so for the verse, you're actually going to keep strumming it the same way. You're going to do D, would it kill? So D before it would it kill? Kill is E, kill you. U is F sharp minor, you to smile. Smile is D, smile. Let me okay, occupy, the first part, occu, is where you do, I lost my spot, is where you do E. Occupy. Pi is F sharp minor, pi your mind. Mind is D, mind. With a million is E, million miles. Miles is F sharp minor, miles an hour. Hour is D, hour. And it's F'd up. F'd up is E, F'd up yours, F sharp minor, your design. Okay, so after design, so when you do your design, you're just going to go to start palm muting here, okay? So in the pre-chorus, so you're going to put this part of your hand as close as you can to that bridge part. Not on it, but right in front of it, okay? And you're going to hit the bass notes. So it looks like that. And that's what you're doing. Okay, so even though I'm doing D, I'm doing the E, A, and D ones, basically, okay? All right, or maybe more the A, D, and G, okay? All right, so you're doing 6 a.m., 6 a.m., 6 to peace. 6 on the beach. Okay, so what you do is on 6 a.m. you do D, 6 a.m. 6 to peace. Peace, you do E, peace. All right, peace. 6 on the beach. Okay, so 6 on is where you're gonna do F sharp minor. On the beach. Then you go back to D again. All right, D. 6 p.m. Sexy girl. Girl is E. Girl, still can't let her leave. Still can't let her leave. All right, so then you're gonna do still can't let her. Okay, can't let her is gonna be F sharp minor. Still can't let her leave. 6 a.m. back again for the same thing. So that what you're gonna do here is you're gonna do. See, so you're spending more time on the D, and then you're rotating between the other ones pretty quickly. 6 a.m., 6 to peace, 6 on the beach. 6 p.m., sexy girl, still can't let her leave. 6 a.m., back again for the same thing. 6 p.m., I won't end till I can't breathe. Jawbreaker. Okay, then you go right into it. So you're just gonna do D, E, F sharp minor, D for the pre-chorus, okay? Now I'm gonna walk you through the chorus one time just because I don't think I actually did that. So you're gonna do, so down. Jawbreaker, she tastes like candy, star chaser. She's not landing, LAX is in Miami. Jawbreaker, Jawbreaker. Then you're gonna go right into the second verse after that, okay? So anyway, the song's pretty easy to play. That's how you play the whole thing. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.